Guangzhou Garbo International Trading Company Limited, Tableware and Glassware, is one of the professional trading and suppliers of household tableware in China. Our main products are ceramic ware, glassware, and flatware, such as porcelain dinner set, ceramic cup and mug, ceramic bowl and plate, glass cups and mugs, glass jars, wine glasses, glass jugs, glass bottles, opal glass dinnerware sets, cutlery set, stainless steel knives, forks and spoons, etc. Our products enjoy a favorable reputation both in-home and abroad due to the wide range, stable quality, reasonable prices, and stylish designs. The key of our success is that we have an efficient sales team who can offer better, before, after-sale service, professional and responsible pricing. Moreover, we have a strong designer team to develop all kinds of tableware or OEM style, besides our strict QC team to make sure all of our products in good quality before shipment. Last, we are located in Panyu, Guangzhou, with an area of 1,200 square meters office. We also have 2 big warehouses which cover an area of 15,000 square meters. It allows us to offer you different available glassware, ceramicware, and flatware in a short time. Customer first, service first, quality first. Garbo Tableware is making great efforts to achieve the win-win situation. Welcome to enjoy with us.